Hello. I've given you these questions. Copy these in your book and start solving.
Sir, we have to do both the columns.
Yes, both the columns. 14 questions are there. Everybody will solve one by one. I'll solve one or two questions for you. First, copy the questions. Leave one or two lines between every question. Right? Make it
सर
two parts of this.
सर
Yes.
जब ये माइनस नंबर माइनस होएगा तो क्या पीछे जाएगा और नहीं तो आगे जाएगा लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल थ्री
बेटा तू पहले लिख दो क्वेश्चन कॉपी कर आई एक्सप्लेन डोंट वरी
ठीक है
एवरीबडी राइट डाउन दिस
Sir, I did not understand how to do it.
पहले क्वेश्चन तो कॉपी करो बेटा First, copy the questions at least, right? That you require any brain or no? You can copy directly, right?
Done, sir.
Okay. Let everybody copy.
No, sir. Sir.
That was great. Oh, oh. Yes.
I'm done.
Okay. Hello. I'll give you. I'll just share. Okay. One question I will solve. Rest of things you have to do one by one, and I'm showing you how to solve them, right? I don't want any direct calculation, right?
Okay, sir.
I don't want any direct calculation. I want everybody to do step by step, correct? Every step you have to show. What is the step? Can anybody explain me what is the step you have to follow?
Sir,
Yes, Advai.
so first you have to gather the minus numbers and then the plus numbers and
Correct.
then subtract them and
No,
subtract them and add.
Oh, wait. Slow. First, you have to do separate the
No, positive
positive and
numbers.
negative numbers, right?
Yes.
Then you do
Then you have to add them.
add whom?
The numbers. The
Which
negative
number?
numbers and the positive.
Which number?
Huh?
Which
The
number?
negative and the positive. Huh?
Which number?
The negative numbers and the positive numbers. And
Okay.
then the sum which is more, that is the answer.
Correct.
So
फिर प्रॉब्लम कहाँ पर है बराबर तो बोल रहा है तू वेरी द डाउट
वहां पर अगर Sir, but the minus ना, if I'm minusing then 4 3 2 1 ऐसे होगा क्या माइनस में अगर माइनस करना?
Very good. ठीक है, चलो, I'll explain. Don't worry. चलो, okay. So here, first one I'll solve for you, right? First, what you should do, as he said, everybody pay attention here. I want everybody to pay attention here, right? So what I am to do? Put all boys together, right? So what is the boys? 5 plus 2, correct?
हाँ.
That is the boys. Then girls will be minus 3, minus 8, minus 7, correct? So I've separated boys and girls, yes or no?
Yeah.
Very good. So how many boys are there?
7.
7. How many girls?
20.
Huh?
18
18 girls, right?
बॉयज और गर्ल्स क्या है?
कौन पूछ रहा है बेटा ये?
अवनी यार.
बेटा अवनी, लास्ट क्लास तू एब्सेंट थी?
हाँ.
रिकॉर्डिंग देखा है?
नहीं, बिकॉज
फिर क्यों नहीं देखा बेटा? क्लास आने के पहले रिकॉर्डिंग देख लेने का, राइट?
हाँ बड़े.
Recording check करो, right? So all the positive are boys, all the negatives are girls. So you have to count the number of boys. That is 7 boys. How many negatives are? All girls are negative, right?
Yes.
So that is minus 18, correct? So
हाँ.
who are more, boys or girls?
Girls.
Girls.
So answer will be negative. How many girls are more?
minus 11.
11, right?
Negative
That is minus 11, right? Chalo, next on this side.
Sir, can I do?
Then
नहीं,
I do.
I'll explain ना. अच्छा, let's see. यहाँ पे second वाला. Okay. I'll give you roll number wise. Okay, who is roll number 1?
Yes, sir.
Okay, आजा. चलो बताओ कैसे solve करें. How will you solve?
First, we will separate the girls and boys.
तो बता दे कैसे करेगी.
So 4 plus 8 plus 3.
Very good. 4 plus 8 plus 3. फिर minus
Minus 7 minus 5.
minus 7 minus 5. Correct. So how many boys?
15.
How many girls?
12 minus 12.
What is the answer?
3.
Very good. चलो. Rule number 2.
Advait,
बोलो.
first you have to separate
वो हो गया, बोलते जा. तू बोलते जा, अभी समझ गया सब.
9 plus 3 plus 2
Very good. Then
and 7
minus 7, not 7.
7 minus 3.
3 कहाँ से आएगा?
अच्छा,
Minus 7
minus
and minus 8, right?
8, yes, minus 3.
Okay. What is the total? What is the number of this thing? Minus 3 कहाँ से आएगा? From where are you getting minus 3?
From here, oh sorry, 7 minus 8, sorry.
It is minus 7 minus 8, Advai.
Yeah,
It is not 7 minus, it is minus 7 minus 8. Clear?
yes.
So how many boys are there?
Boys are 13.
13 boys.
Huh?
Right?
So, sir, boys are 14.
And how many girls?
And girls are uh, girls are
Okay.
Nobody will speak in between.
girls are 15.
7 girls and 8 girls. 15, right? Okay.
15.
Who are more?
Girls.
How many girls are more?
1.
Answer is because girls are represented minus, so answer is minus 1. Correct?
Yes.
Roll number 3.
Yes, sir.
Tell me.
There is 7 and 8 are boys, which counts up to 15
8.
plus
Then-
8. That's
No, you don't have to count first. You have to just arrange it first. Calculation अभी नहीं करना है.
okay. Then girls में there is -6, -9 and -1.
Very good. Correct. अब करो boys कितने हैं?
Boys 15 है.
Girls?
16.
Answer?
Wait. Negative is girl. Is not boy.
आवाज नहीं. Avni,
Yes, sir.
what is the answer?
Calculating, sir.
What they will calculate? How many boys are there?
15.
How many girls?
Oh, sorry, 1.
What one?
-1.
हाँ. Okay. चलो next roll number 4.
Yes, sir.
कौन है?
Ivan.
Ivan. Okay, tell me.
Boys are 5 and 6.
अच्छा. What is this? Three are boys or girls?
What?
3.
That's boys.
तो फिर वो क्यों नहीं लिखा? You have to start from start.
3, 5, and 6, which add up to 14.
बेटा, you
And
have
the
to
girls.
separate. Hello. You have to segregate first, arrange it first, and then you do the calculation. Clear?
Then yes, sir. Then girls are 7, 4.
So how many boys?
Boys are 14, and
Girls
girls are 11.
What is the answer?
3.
Very good. Next roll number 5.
Mishika.
Mishika, chalo, tell me.
Minus positive 9.
Positive 9. There is no positive number other than 9.
And
There is no positive number before 9.
2.
हाँ, Mishka?
2.
2. 2 plus 9. Then minus
8.
hmm,
Minus 3. Minus 4.
how many boys?
11.
How many girls?
Minus 14.
14. How many girls? Mishka,
Minus 14.
calculate karo. 8, 3 and 4. How many total comes to? 8 and 3?
11.
11 and 4?
15.
कहाँ से 14 आया? More.
4.
What?
-4.
You tell me the sign first, not 4 only. Chalo, next, Russia.
Yes, sir.
Tell me.
Positive number from 7, 2, and 9.
Hmm.
The negative numbers are 8 and 3.
How many boys?
18.
How many girls?
11.
What is the answer?
How many are there more? Boys and girls?
Who are more?
Boys.
How many?
Positive 7.
Very good. चलो next. रशिया के बाद कौन है?
Nishit.
हाँ बोलो.
-8.
क्या -8? पहले क्या करना है?
Girls are -8.
गर्ल्स क्यों कर रही है? पहले गर्ल्स करना है, बॉयज करना है?
2. 9 and 4. And girls are 8, -8 and -5.
How many boys?
15 boys.
How many girls?
13 boys.
Who are more?
Boys.
How many?
By 2.
Answer?
2.
+2, right? Or +2. Okay. चलो 2 बोलेगा तो भी चलेगा. Next. Vanya is not there. Vidhi. Vanya is absent. Vidhi,
Yes, sir.
tell me.
+2
Hmm,
+4 +8.
Very good.
And in girls, -9 -7.
Very good girl. Next.
So, boys are
Sir, may I
14
Hmm,
and 14 minus 16.
So what is the answer?
Sir,
हाँ बोलो.
may I go to the washroom?
हाँ
Sir,
जाओ
may I go to the washroom?
And
जाओ जाओ जल्दी जाके आ जाओ.
sir, the answer is -2.
Very good. Next.
5 minutes दो.
विधि के बाद विहान.
+2 +8 +5
Very good. Then
-7 -4
very good. How many boys?
15
How many girls?
11
What is the answer?
4
Next. Vivan. Merchant.
Yes, sir.
बोलो.
Boys are 3 8 5. 16
हैं? पहले सेपरेट करो बॉयज एंड गर्ल्स को, फिर
हाँ
काउंट करो.
girls are 9 and 1.
-9 and -1. Speak specifically, right?
Yes.
That is 16. And then girls are 16
Girls
minus
are 10.
10. What is the answer?
Sir, can
Six.
Avni go to the washroom?
Yes. Next, Advika.
Yes, sir.
हाँ जा 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 बेटा.
3 8 -4 -5 -2 11 -11. हाँ sir 0.
सर 0. सर को
No, sir.
सर 0. वाह. हैं? Now all are done. So I'm doing it myself, right? 9 plus 7 is 16 minus 12. Answer is 4. Everybody check their answers. Is it correct? Okay, next.
Advait.
8. 8.
Sir, it's 8 plus 2 plus 4 and 9 minus 7. So 8 plus 2 plus 4 equals to 14 and 9 plus 7 equals to 16. So the answer is -2.
Clear? Is everybody
Yes.
clear? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Clear हो गया? Now anybody the doubt on this?
No, sir.
Sure है?
Yes, sir.
Very good. I am sending you this on your
There's a photograph.
WhatsApp, yeah. WhatsApp I'm sending you. So everybody has to send me what they have done in the class. Everybody has to send me this. After the class, send me a photograph on the group. Correct?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. चलो. Done? Chalo. So now I will do something else. Right?
Then we are starting with a new topic.
Yes. No, same topic, but different operations, right?
Yes, sir. No education.
Sir, I did not understand missing digits.
Sorry?
I did not understand missing digits.
You cannot understand?
Missing digits.
Which digit? Missing digits. Okay. Uh-huh. Okay. Sure. We'll take missing digit ka. I'll take this. Wait. Wait a minute. मिसिंग डिजिट में क्या इशू है बेटा तेरे को?
I'm not able to solve 3-digit number.
एडी अरे 3 डिजिट के हम लोग को 5 डिजिट 6 डिजिट कराते हैं तेरे को आज. मिसिंग डिजिट में क्या प्रॉब्लम है? ओके.
सब्ट्रैक्शन में बहुत प्रॉब्लम होती है. सब्ट्रैक्शन में कैरी फॉरवर्ड में बहुत प्रॉब्लम होता है.
अरे कुछ नहीं होता है कैरी फॉरवर्ड सब्ट्रैक्शन में. क्या तू बच्चों की तरह होता है? ठीक है चल. ओके. लेट्स डू इट. ओके. नाउ लेट्स मेक अ क्वेश्चन whichever you want to do it. चलो ठीक है.
सर
मेक दिस क्वेश्चन सिर्फ फर्स्ट डिजिट में लिखूंगा. कितना डिजिट का करना है? फॉरगेट अबाउट 1 और 2 डिजिट. कितना डिजिट करना है?
सर रोल नंबर वाइज करो.
नहीं नहीं रोल नंबर वाइज नहीं. उसका किसका डाउट है बेटा? सॉल्व करेगा. राइट? समझ में आया? जिसका डाउट है वही सॉल्व करेगा. राइट? एनीबडी एल्स हैज अ डाउट यू लेट मी नो. ओके. ऋषित हाउ मेनी डिजिट्स यू वांट टू डू इट? ऋषित
3-digit.
3 डिजिट तो बहुत छोटा है. और बड़ा बोल.
5-digit.
और बड़ा बोल.
7-digit.
7 डिजिट. चलो लेट्स डू 7 डिजिट. ओके. चलो. आई लेट 7 डैश. माइनस करना है प्लस करना है?
Minus.
हाँ?
Minus.
माइनस.
चलो I'll give you 4. Everybody keep your book ready. What I'm writing, keep on writing simultaneously. Once I finish the question, then you start writing. Okay? Don't write before that. Okay? 7. Okay, chalo. What you need to do is missing numbers, right? Chalo. Missing numbers plus minus.
Yes.
Correct? Chalo.
91990.
So you can't say I don't have your number, right? My worksheet, everything will always have my number in it, right? So you can't say, sir, I don't have your number.
Sir, what is PM meaning? PM.
Sorry?
Sir, we are doing missing numbers. So easy.
Sorry? What are you saying?
Sir, you are doing missing numbers. It's very fun.
Very fun. Very good. Chalo. So everybody will do it. Now यहाँ पे I'll write. Okay? किसका डाउट है? ऋषित क्या डाउट है बेटा?
जब हम लोग माइनस कट से कैरी फॉरवर्ड में बस प्रॉब्लम आते हैं.
अरे आ जाएगा ना. टेंशन मत लेना.
It's not even needed to be shown.
अरे वेट मेरी जान. अद्वै शांत रहे. गदाधर भीम शांत रहे. उसको सोचने देना बेटा. उसको नहीं आता है तो करने दे उसको. राइट?
Yes, sir.
1 2 3 4 5 6 7 minus dash 8 9 7 2 dash 5. Here you have 8, 9, dash 6, dash 4 and 3. Okay. So you can write now. Okay. You can write the question. Then we'll solve. Okay. 2 dash 4 dash 9 dash dash plus 3 4 dash 8 dash 7 6. Below it is okay. Wait, I'll not write this. Hold on. Five. Dash 7 3 4 dash 2 3. Okay. Sure. One more. 2 more I should give.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir.
8 5 dash 3 dash 2 dash. कितना डिजिट का है ये ऋषित?
ये 6 डिजिट 7 डिजिट का
7 डिजिट, राइट? तो अगर तुम्हारा लॉजिक क्लियर है तो तुम 2 डिजिट करो, 3 डिजिट करो, 5 डिजिट करो, 7 डिजिट करो, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है। समझ में आया? डैश 8 9 डैश 4 5 9 माइनस नीचे आएगा डैश 4 2 7 8 dash 3, right? Okay, यहाँ पे 4 dash 8 dash 1 9 7 plus dash 8 dash 9 4 dash 8. I am writing any random questions, right? Any random number डालो तो अपना आंसर बन जाएगा, right? Only thing is you have to take care of the first one, first digit.
Done, sir.
Dash 3 1 dash 9 5 7. चलो Rishit,
yes
now you have to do it, right?
yes
You will do it from the left to right or right to left?
right yes
Left to right, correct? Correct or no?
Correct.
ठीक है, चलो. Now nobody will speak in between, right? Only Rishit will answer.
Yes, sir.
Something minus 5. Will you get 8?
13 minus 5
हाँ?
13 minus 5
14 minus 5 क्या होगा?
8
8 आएगा?
13 not 14
Okay, so 13 you will get 3 here, right?
yes
So it will be carried from, it will borrowed from here, right? So here it will become 1, right? Because to make this 13, I have to borrow it from 1 from here, right?
Yes.
I cannot write 13 here. I have to write only 3. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. So now this will become 1. 1 minus something will become 9. Possible है? नहीं possible है. तो क्या करना पड़ेगा? 11 करना पड़ेगा, right?
Yes. We'll have to borrow.
11 करना पड़ेगा तो क्या होगा? यहाँ से borrow करना पड़ेगा. तो 11 minus what will become 9?
2.
2. Now here, because I borrowed 1 here, this will become 4,
4.
right? 4 minus 2, you can do it.
Yes.
क्या आएगा?
2.
6 something minus 7 will give you 6. तो इसको उल्टा भी कर सकते हो. 6 plus 7 करो, कितना होगा? 13. You get 3 here, right? 1 will be borrowed from here. So it will become 4 will become 3.
Yes.
So 3 minus 9 is possible?
No.
No. So what will become? 13 will borrow from 1 from here.
Yes.
13 minus 9 will be
4.
4. Now here 4 plus 8, what will become?
12.
12. But you have to borrow 1 here. So what will become? 12 and become 13. Clear? Because you have to give 1 to this, na?
Not 2.
Sorry?
I not 2.
Sorry?
12 से और 2 के नहीं आएगा.
क्यों नहीं होगा? क्योंकि एक तेरे को बोरो यहाँ पर भी करना है ना.
हाँ.
तो बोरो करने के लिए यहाँ देना पड़ेगा ना एक ज्यादा, तभी तो एक बोरो कर पाएगा वो.
हाँ.
बोरो करने के बाद 2 आना चाहिए, राइट?
Yes.
समझ में आया? यहाँ पे नाउ अगेन यू टू बोरो 1 हियर, so this will become 6, right? 6 minus what will become 3?
3.
3. Clear everyone?
Yes, sir.
Who else has a doubt in missing number? Who else has a doubt? Those who know, I don't want to do it. I want who has a doubt.
Sir, can you even explain addition?
Sorry?
Can you explain?
क्या हो गया ऋषि, तेरा आवाज नहीं आ रहा मेरा बराबर.
Can you explain addition?
Addition, ठीक है. Okay. What you add to 6 to get 3? Can you get 3?
I'm taking.
नहीं, right?
No.
So what you should? You don't get 3. You get 13, right?
Yes. Yes.
So what you should add to 6 to get 13?
7.
7. So this will be 3. 1 will be carried over to next level, right?
Yes.
So 7 plus 1 will become 8.
Yes.
8 plus 1 will become 2. It will not become 2, right? It will become 12, correct?
Yes.
So 8 plus what will become 12?
4.
4. Again 1 will be carried over here.
Yes.
9 plus 1?
10.
10 plus 5?
15.
1 carry over here again.
Yes.
8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 1 will become 4, not 14, right?
Yes.
So
5.
9 plus 5. 1 carry over again. So 4
Yes.
plus 1, 5. 5 plus 1 will become 13.
5 plus 4 will become 9.
5 plus?
So 5 plus.
You want to make 13, right?
Yes.
तो 13 में 5 में क्या ऐड करोगे तो 13 बनेगा?
Speak loudly.
Rishit,
I said 8.
8. Okay. Again, you will have 1 carry over here. 4 plus 1, 5.
Yes.
5 plus what will become 7?
2.
2. No carry over here, right? 2 plus 3.
1.
Is everybody clear?
Yes, sir.
Everybody solving this in your book?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Clear है?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Easily हो रही है?
sir.
चलो.
Sir.
Who will solve? Who wants to solve now?
Adva,
Out. I don't understand how to do addition.
Is the important
Yeah.
thing.
Avni did not understand how to do addition.
Addition नहीं समझ में आ रहा है. चलो.
नहीं.
वेरी गुड. चल तो एडिशन तू कर.
Do this problem.
लेट्स स्टार्ट दिस एडिशन 1. राइट अवनी?
7 plus 8, 15.
तो क्या हो गया, इधर क्या आएगा?
5.
वेरी गुड.
Carry forward there.
1 यहाँ पे कैरी हो गया, तो क्या हो गया? 10. 9 plus 1 10. 10 plus what will become 3? 3 तो नहीं बनेगा, 13 बनेगा. राइट
3.
3. अगेन 1 कैरी ओवर हो गया.
हाँ.
4 plus 1 कितना हो गया?
5.
5 से 1 तो नहीं होएगा.
11 हो गया.
11.
Six.
राइट. 5
Six.
plus what is 11?
6.
6. अगेन नहीं कैरी ओवर हो गया. 9 plus 1
10.
10 plus 8
10 plus 8, 18.
1 कैरी ओवर हो गया इधर. 6 plus 1
6 plus 1, 7. 7.
7 plus what is equal to 9? What I should
11.
add to 7 to get 9?
11.
अच्छा.
नहीं सॉरी वो चल गया. From 7 to 9, right? Simple 2. आया.
सिंपल 2. तो सिंपल क्यों नहीं याद आ रहा तेरे को? Right, so
Sir,
no carry over here.
no,
Now 8 to 5 you can become no, right?
no.
8 to 15 you'll get, right? So 8 plus what will become 15?
7.
Huh?
7.
Very good. So you'll get 1 carry over here.
3.
है कैरी ओवर क्या पापा के पास लेके
हाँ,
जाए?
okay. 2.
तो clear everyone?
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Anybody else still have a doubt? Because I'm not going to take anything new now.
Sir, I have a doubt.
वो बेटा
विधि.
विधि किस में डाउट है? सब्ट्रैक्शन. चलो करो.
Subtraction.
Something minus 9. Can you get 3?
Yes. No,
है how much?
no. Sir,
नहीं
can
मिलेगा,
अभी
right?
eat? Sir,
हाँ
अभी
बेटा
खा
करो.
ले.
तो क्या करो इसमें, देखो सब्ट्रैक्शन में एक आई टेल यू ट्रिक. 3 plus 9 will become what? 12, right?
12.
It will become 2 here, right? So you have to
Yes.
borrow 1 from here. So this will become 1, right?
One. Yes.
Because you have to borrow 1 here, not to get 12, right? So it becomes
Yes.
1. 1 minus 5 I can do?
No.
No. So what do you need to do? 11 minus 5, right?
Yes.
11 minus 5 will be?
6.
Very good. Now you borrowed 1 from here to make it 11, yes or no?
Yes.
So what will do? 8 plus 4?
12.
12 plus 1 you have to borrow for here, right? What do you need to do?
We will.
After giving borrowing, you have to have 12, right?
Yes.
What do you have? You will have a 13, right?
3.
Right?
13.
So here also you have to borrow 1.
Yes.
It will become 2.
Yes.
Okay. So 2 minus something, can you become 7?
No.
So 12 minus what you will become? 7.
Uh, 5.
5. Very good. Now you borrowed 1 because to make 13, yes or no?
Yes.
So you have to add 1, whatever you're getting. 9 plus 2,
11.
11 plus 1 borrow you have to take. So what is it?
12.
2, right? Again you have to borrow 1 here.
Yes.
So this will become 4.
Yes.
4 minus 8, you can do it.
No.
You have to borrow 1 from here.
Yes.
So what 14 minus 8 will become?
14 minus 8. 7.
क्या बात है? कैसे डार्लिंग?
6.
6. Then 7, you already borrowed 1 here. The 7 minus something will become 4.
7 minus 3.
Very good. Correct? Everybody clear?
Yes, sir.
Easy it was?
Yes.
Step by step, do slowly and easily. You'll get all the answers, right?
Sir, Vivan has a doubt.
क्या डाउट है बेटा?
Subtraction.
क्या डाउट है? कहाँ पे? ये वाला क्लियर है ना? अभी डाउट कहाँ पर है?
मेरे को समझ में नहीं आ रहा है.
क्यों नहीं आ रहा है बेटा?
Subtraction.
चलो,
I can also not understand little.
हूँ बेटा.
Adya.
क्या नहीं? कौन सा? सब्ट्रैक्शन, एडिशन?
Subtraction.
क्या प्रॉब्लम आ रहा है? ठीक है, चलो. आई टोल्ड यू कि किसको डाउट आ रहा है पूछो पूछो पूछो, तो कोई पूछ ही नहीं रहा है मेरे को. ठीक है, चलो. वेट, आई लेट मी सेंड यू दिस फर्स्ट, देन आई गिव यू अनदर वन. आई ओनली रिमूव दिस एंड देन वी सी. वेट. Wait a minute. I'll just keep on removing this. One a minute. Let me send you this. I will. Okay. Let me remove the answers. Correct? Subtraction में doubt है दोनों को?
हाँ. Sir. हाँ sir.
ठीक है. Vivan and Adya, right?
Yes sir.
ठीक है. चलो, I am removing this. सब remove.
Sir, Vivan not Ivan.
विवानी बोला मैंने. मर्चेंट. विवान मर्चेंट, राइट? आई नो ही इज नॉट एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड. इवान का तो हो गया ना, इवान ने तो सॉल्व किया, राइट? करेक्ट. क्लियर एवरीवन? आई रिमूव्ड एवरीथिंग, राइट?
Yes.
एक टू बाकी है, निकाल लेता हूं मैं. क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Now,
No.
who wants to solve now? Tell me who has a difficulty.
Vivan.
Difficulty.
Adya.
Adya and Vivan. Anybody else?
Little bit only difficulty.
ठीक है, लिटिल बिट ऑफ पूरा आना चाहिए.
हाँ.
लिटिल डिफिकल्टी क्या होता है? लिटिल एंड ज्यादा क्या होता है? डिफिकल्टी, राइट? सो जब तक यू आर वेरी कॉन्फिडेंट यू शुड नॉट डू इट. ओके, एडिशन में, सब्ट्रैक्शन में. विवान, यू आर गेटिंग एडिशन और सब्ट्रैक्शन?
Subtraction.
आद्या?
Subtraction.
एनीबडी एल्स? विहान, मिश्का, एनीबडी हैज अ डाउट?
Do you have a doubt?
Huh?
Ask me to read the box. Yes, no, sir.
No, nobody has a doubt. Rasya?
No sir.
No doubt, right?
Yes.
Advika?
Sir, little I am not understanding some part.
तो बेटा क्यों नहीं बोल रहे बेटा? डू यू वांट टू से एक ही जन को आके पूछूं? हाँ? आई एम आस्किंग यू सिंस मोर देन हाफ एन आवर नाउ. I have to take something else also, right? चलो. Wait a minute. Sure. Let's start. Okay. Let's Vivan start with you. Okay. Vivan,
Yes sir.
start with you, right? Sure. Tell me something -5. Can you get 8?
No.
Correct. So what you should have here? What minus 5 will get 8?
12,
12 minus 5 will get 8.
I think.
करो minus 12 minus 8 करके देख क्या आता है? 12 minus
13.
हाँ
13.
कौन बोल रहा है?
Advika.
तेरे को नहीं बोलना है बेटा. We want solve करना, right? You keep writing in your book. I want everybody to send me this as a assignment, right? As a classwork. Everybody should write. Beta, if you don't know, just I'll tell you. Add this both, right? You get the answer. 8 plus 5 is what?
14, 13, 13,
Right?
13, 13.
You can't write 2, 13, will be right?
Yes.
So how will you get 13 here? You borrow 1 from here, right? So this will
Yes.
become 1. Yes or no? Because to get 13, you have to borrow 1 from here. Yes or no?
Yes.
Very good. So 9, 1 minus something. Can you get 9? No. So you have to make it 11, right?
Yes.
So how will you get 11? You take out 1 from here. Yes or no?
Yes.
Correct. So what do you get? 11 minus what will you get? 9?
2.
2. You borrowed 1. 4 minus 2. You can do it?
Yes. 2.
2. Now, something minus 7. Can you get 6? So what do you do? Again add them, right?
Mm.
So 6 plus 7.
12.
अरे यार क्या
13,
करता है ये
13,
बच्चा?
13, 13.
So 13 you cannot write. So you have to borrow 1 from here, right? To make it 13. Yes?
Yes.
Correct? So 3 minus 9 can you do?
What, sir? I cannot hear.
3 minus 9 can you do it?
We can do 13 minus 9.
Right. So 13 you have to borrow 1 from here, right?
Yes.
Minus 9 is 4. Correct?
Yes.
So something you have to borrow 1 from here, right? So what is this? Again add this.
Mm.
12.
Yes.
So it will become 2. But I have to give you 1 borrow here, right?
Yes.
It has to be 3. So
Two.
cut this 3, it will become 2. Correct? And 2, it will become 12. You have to borrow 1 from here, it is 6. 6 minus 3, what will be?
3.
3. Clear?
Yes.
Everybody clear?
Yes, sir.
I'm not understanding some part. Yes, sir.
Very good. आद्या क्लियर हो गया बेटा?
हाँ सर थोड़ा.
थोड़ा क्या?
हाँ.
चलो एडिशन करना है, सब्ट्रैक्शन करना है?
The addition.
एडिशन चल.
Sir, they नहीं
एक
समझ
मिनट,
आया
अद्विका तेरे पे आता हूँ. अद्विका वेट, you'll solve one. Wait.
सब.
Yeah, अद्विका अपना आद्या.
Yes, sir.
Something plus 3, something plus 6 will become 3. नहीं होगा ना?
नहीं.
तो क्या होगा? 13 करना पड़ेगा. 7 plus 6
7.
13.
13. 1 carry over.
Hello, अद्विका. There is a lot of background noise from your side. क्या background noise है? कौन चिट कर रहा है? I want a complete silence in the class. Parents, you want to discuss something? Go out and discuss. Chalo. So now 8 plus 1 will become what? 7
9.
will become what?
7 plus 1 is 8.
8. 8, can you get 2? Something, can you get 2?
Sir, I didn't understand your question.
No, this is 1 plus 7, right?
Yes, 8.
8. You want to 8 plus something you add. Can you get 2 here?
No.
If you add something to 8, can you get 2?
Yes.
है 2 कैसे आएगा? 12 आएगा ना?
I got 12.
हाँ तो 12 बोलना पड़ेगा. तो 1 here and
4.
here, right?
Yes.
Now this is 10 plus 5.
15. 5. 1 carry over.
Okay. 8 plus 1.
9.
9 plus something, you can go 4? No. You can go
No.
14, right?
Yeah.
So 14, sorry.
13.
14 करना पड़ेगा ना मेरी जान.
Huh?
14 आएगा ना, 4 तो थोड़ी आएगा. So 9 plus what will become 14?
9 plus 5.
Right? 14,
Yes.
one carry over. 5 plus something, can you make 3? No.
We can
13.
we can get 8
8.
to make 13.
Very good. 1 here. 5
Yes.
plus something, can you make 7?
Uh, yes, 2.
Very good. Correct. No carry over required, right?
Yes,
This is 2 plus 3.
5.
Very good. Okay. Clear, everyone?
Yes,
Chalo,
sir.
Pratika, your turn. Something minus 9. So what do? You just add them, right? 9 plus 3 will become what?
12.
So to make it 12, you have to borrow 1 from here, correct?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Now, 1 minus 5, can you do it?
No.
So what do? You need 11, right? 11 minus 5 will be?
6.
Now 1 you get it from where? Here, right? So just add them. What is it? 12?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Russia?
Sir, can I go to the washroom?
Yes. Okay. So 12 and you have to borrow 1 here, right? So it will become 3. 13 karke it will become 12, correct?
Yes, sir. Sir, how I
And-
didn't understand how it got 13 and become 12.
Now, it is what 12, right?
Yes.
But you have to borrow 1 from, now you already borrowed. This person has already borrowed 1 from here, right?
Yes.
So you have to add 1 more, not to give it to them, right? After that, you should have 12, right? After borrowing, you should have 12, right? Yes or no? अद्विका,
Sir.
एक देने के बाद 12 बचना चाहिए ना यहाँ पे,
हाँ.
राइट?
सर लेकिन कैसे बचेगा?
कहीं नहीं बचेगा. इसको एक कहाँ से देगा? फ्रॉम वेयर इट विल गिव यू 1. 11 करने के लिए 1 कहाँ से मिलेगा?
8 plus 4 12 से.
हाँ,
12 से.
करेक्ट. 12 से कैसे मिलेगा? 12 तो है नहीं, यहाँ पे कुछ नहीं है, राइट? हियर देयर इज नथिंग, राइट?
हाँ.
तो इफ आई राइट 2 हियर, अभी बोरो किया था,
हाँ.
किया था ना?
हाँ.
तो क्या होगा? ये बोरो करने के लिए अगर मैं कट कर दूंगा, ये तो 11 हो जाएगा, राइट?
हाँ.
गलत है ना?
कैसे सर? बिकॉज हमने पहले 8 plus 4 किया, 12 आया, 12 में से 1 माइनस किया तो 11 आया.
तो नहीं होना चाहिए ना, इधर इधर 12 होना चाहिए, ये होने के बाद, माइनस करने के बाद, राइट?
तो हम उसमें 1 ऐड करते हैं ताकि वो 12 हो.
सही जवाब, राइट? तो यहाँ पे मैंने कट करके यहाँ पे बोरो दे दिया मैंने इसको. अब ये 12 हो गया यहाँ पे,
हाँ.
ऐसे बोरो करके 2, करेक्ट? अब 12 माइनस 5, तो ये कहाँ से बोरो करेगा? यहाँ से बोरो करेगा ना. दिस विल बोरो फ्रॉम हियर, राइट?
हाँ.
तो 12 माइनस समथिंग विल बिकम 7. व्हाट इज दैट?
5.
5. अब यहाँ पे 9 plus 2
11.
11. लेकिन 11 यहाँ चाहिए तेरे को, राइट? 11 कहाँ चाहिए?
हाँ. तो 11 plus 1 12.
सही
तो
जवाब.
1 वो कट होगा और 11 आएगा.
वेरी गुड. समझ में आया?
हाँ सर.
ठीक है. यहाँ पे 2 होएगा, ये 2 कट करके 1 11 होगा, राइट? ये करेक्ट. ये कट होने के बाद 11 होना चाहिए. समझ में आया? और 11 कहाँ से होगा? यू विल कट फ्रॉम हियर, राइट?
हाँ.
Now you don't have this 4 minus 8, you cannot do it. So cut this 7. 14 minus 8 will be 6.
Oh. Yes sir.
7 minus something will become 4. 7 minus what?
3.
3. Clear everyone?
Yes, sir.
चलो यहाँ पे
Sir,
Yes,
I'm
who
not
wants to do it
understanding
addition?
also. Sir,
Last
I'm not understanding minus also.
कौन?
And plus also.
sir, avni karu addition.
Sir,
नहीं,
Advika is
एक
not
मिनट, कौन नहीं
understanding.
समझ रहा है? हेलो, who is not understanding?
Sir, I'm not understanding plus.
हाँ तो अभी अवनी सॉल्व करेगी, चेक कर। अवनी तूने ये सॉल्व किया ना ऐड वाला?
हाँ
चलो एनीबडी, नो एनीबडी एल्स? रशिया,
अद्वैत
रशिया नहीं, अद्वैत तेरे को आता है, जिसको आता है वो नहीं, जिसको नहीं। रशिया,
Sir, Advika.
अद्विका तूने सॉल्व किया ना बेटा? अभी ध्यान दे, listen very carefully what what she is answering. It is not important that how do you solve. If you have doubt, you can ask in between. Rashia,
Yes, sir.
tell me. 7 plus 8,
15.
you write 5 here, 1 carry over, right?
Yes.
9 plus 1,
10.
10 plus what you get? 3, 13, right?
Yes.
10 plus 3, you get 1 carry over. अद्विका जहां देख समझ में आया पूछना मेरे को, right? Now here 4 plus 1,
5.
5. 5 plus what you will get? 11, because 1 you cannot get. You have to get 11, right?
Yes.
So
Sir,
5.
why we have to get 11?
बेटा क्योंकि यहाँ पे 1 कैसे आएगा? 4 plus 1 5 तो यहाँ हो गया ना,
हाँ.
तो 1 कैसे आएगा? It has to be 11, right?
The 6.
1 carry over, right? 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 8 18.
Okay.
Advika, have you understood?
No, sir, I still don't understand why it is.
Wait a minute. This is you have to add, right? This everything you have to add, right? So 1 plus 4 is how much?
5.
Anything you add into 5, will you get 1? If I tell you 5 plus something, will you get 1 here anytime?
No.
You cannot get, right?
No.
So what is the next number which is ending with 1? Is 11, right?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
तो 11 करने के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा? 6 ऐड करना पड़ेगा,
हाँ.
वही लिखा है मैंने. You cannot get 11, right? You cannot get 1 because it is already a bigger number, right? Now here 6 plus 1, what is that? 7.
Yes, sir.
7 plus you add something, can you get 9?
No. Yes.
No.
7 plus 2.
Right, 2, correct? So there is no carryover here, right?
Yes, sir.
Good to the end. Okay, something plus 8, can you get 5?
No.
So what do you need to get? 15, right? Next number is what? Ending with 5. 15, right?
Yes, sir.
So what do you add? 8 plus 7 will become 15 and 1 will be carried over here. This will be what? 5 plus what will become 7?
12.
12.
Huh?
5 plus 12 becomes 7.
No.
Then
2.
2. Clear? ये बेटा practice करोगे तो होगा, right? You have to practice. I have to make a worksheet for you now for this. I have to make a really worksheet for this 7 digit or 4 digit or 5 digit. I'll
Sir,
make
I did the worksheet for this missing digits.
Even I did.
7 digit का थोड़ी दिया है मैंने, 7 digit का दिया है मैंने.
हाँ sir.
है?
तो digit का.
7 digit का कितना दिया है मैंने?
सर ने 4 digit दिया 4 digit.
3 digit दिया है, 2 digit and 3 digit दिया है, right?
हाँ
7
sir.
digit में देने का बाकी है मेरे
digit
को,
ही दिया आपने.
right? चलो ठीक है,
Direct.
अभी मेरे को important चीज करानी है. Let me do it first that, right? Now this is also done, this is also done, right? So now we'll do multiplication. Multiplication क्या है? Multiplication of king of mathematics क्या है?
King of
King of mathematics.
And division क्या है?
Queen of mathematics.
Very queen of mathematics. ठीक है? So क्या करता है? King और king किसी का सुनता नहीं है, right?
हाँ.
So multiplication बोलेगा I don't know whether it is a negative number or positive number. Clear? My task is to Multiply. I'll
सर मैं
multiply.
वॉशरूम जाऊं?
Yeah. And my task is to divide. I will divide. Clear है?
यस
ठीक है. चलो, I'll show you here.
सर
हाँ, जाओ 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 बेटा.
सर मैं
हाँ.
go to
Sorry.
मैं go to वॉशरूम.
या जाओ जाओ जाओ. जिसको वॉशरूम जाने जाओ, फटाफट आ जाओ. राइट.
सर 2 डिजिट मल्टीप्लिकेशन बाय 1 डिजिट मल्टीप्लिकेशन
अभी टाइम है बेटा. ये जो सिखा रहा हूँ सीख लो बेटा. किसको करना है 2 डिजिट बाय 1 डिजिट?
अपनी
अभी टाइम है बेटा. 1 डिजिट आ गया तेरा? पूरा प्रैक्टिस कर रही है?
25.
हाँ
1 डिजिट आ गया क्या? पूरा प्रैक्टिस हो रहा है? एवरीडे 5 मिनट्स.
सर अभी तो थोड़ा दिन बंद किया था, अभी वापस चालू कर दिया।
नहीं तो फिर वो करो, फिर उसके बाद 2 डिजिट पे जाना. 1 डिजिट तो हुआ नहीं तेरा. हाँ, कितने साल से बोल रहा हूँ तेरे को. कैन यू सी माई स्क्रीन?
Yeah.
सर can see.
नाउ आई एम ओपनिंग हियर. 1 मिनट. कैन यू सी दिस? चेक करो क्या लिखा है इसमें. मल्टीप्लीकेशन डिवीजन व्हाट दे विल डू? दे विल जस्ट मल्टीप्लाई एंड डिवाइड. साइन विल बी डिपेंडिंग ऑन व्हाट काइंड ऑफ नंबर यू आर मल्टीप्लाइंग विद व्हाट. राइट. चलो, आई एम सेंडिंग यू दिस ऑल एंड आई एम ओपनिंग इट आल्सो फ्रॉम योर दिस ओनली.
इंटीजर नंबर्स का भी होता है?
यस. क्यों नहीं होता है? क्यों नहीं होगा बेटा? क्यों नहीं होगा ये बता मेरे को.
मुझे लगा कि पहले हमें पॉजिटिव नंबर्स का ही होता है.
Equals to 1.
बेटा अभी बहुत सीखना है
You
तुमको.
want to go to the washroom?
यस बेटा को बहुत सीखना है बेटा. अभी तो फ्रैक्शन में आएगा, अलजेब्रा में नेगेटिव नंबर आएगा, बहुत जगह आएगा बेटा.
No,
सर मैं want to learn algebra.
सॉरी.
We are
अलजेब्रा
going
विल
to
डू
learn
आफ्टर
algebra.
दिसंबर बेटा. अलजेब्रा अभी
सर परसेंटेज भी आएगा?
यस
सर डेसिमल्स भी?
यस.
अरे सब कुछ आएगा.
फ्रैक्शन डेसिमल तो कराऊंगा अभी नेक्स्ट वीक है तुम्हारा. राइट.
सर
फ्रैक्शन डेसिमल
फ्रैक्शन सर.
तुम्हारा खत्म हो जाएगा. इसके बाद फ्रैक्शन
सर
डेसिमल.
सर मुझे
एंगल
फ्रैक्शन
कब
कितना
सीखेंगे?
अच्छा नहीं
एंगल,
लगता.
रिफ्लेक्स एंगल,
तुम लोग का अपना
स्ट्रेट
स्कूल
एंगल.
में हो रहा है ये भेज दो.
सर
What-
मल्टीप्लिकेशन
Wait,
का
wait,
सब
listen very carefully. Don't make a fish market here, right? Everybody, nobody listens. If you have done anything in the school which I have not covered, what is running in your school, what topic here, fraction, decimal, geometry, circle, lines, angles, okay, algebra, anything what is running in your school, write down in the group, right?
सर हमारा नया टॉपिक स्टार्ट हुआ है
अभी नहीं, मेरे को
ज्योमेट्री.
नहीं सुनना है. Write in the group. You got it? What is started? Write in the group. अभी बोलोगे मैं भूल जाऊंगा, क्या फायदा.
ओके सर.
ठीक है. So everybody has to write whatever is doing in the school. They have to write in the this thing, right? Because addition, subtraction, multiplication, division we have done. Now we'll do the different fractions, decimals. We'll go the lines, angles, okay, triangles, square, rectangles. All this will do it, right? So just write accordingly. I will take it. They are all independent. This thing, right? There's nothing depend on each other. I can take geometry also. I can take algebra also. I can take numbers also. I can take fractions also, right? So it is all independent one. Nothing related to each other. Clear? So you tell me what is done in the class or in the school. I will take it accordingly. Chalo. Now what is that? 5 is the 40.
40
divided by 5 is 8, right? So if you see here, all the answers are almost same. Numbers are same, right?
yes sir.
Positive or negative is changing, right? And this is a very, very easy compared to your girls and boys kind of a concept, right? Here does not matter what you are having, right? So read this what I have written. Read this what you have written here. What is written? Everybody write it down. Everybody first write it down, and while writing, speak in a mind. Don't shout very loudly. Correct?
Sir, integers with multiplication, na?
Yes, integer with multiplication and division.
Integer means
We have done addition, subtraction. Now we are doing multiplication and division. Clear?
integer मतलब
Multiplication and division. How the integer or negative numbers behave with
Done, sir.
negative numbers, right? Write down and read, and then I'll explain.
Yeah.
sir,
Yes.
if the signs of both number is different, then the answer will always.
One minute. First, write down and speak and read and understand. After that, I'll explain. Clear hai? Write down this and understand what you need to do. Clear? After that, I'll explain.
Done, sir.
Yes.
Where you explain all of this?
ऑल ऑफ दिस में कितना है लिखने का? क्यों जोर आ रहा है? कितना लिखने का है? 4 लाइन तो लिखने का है. हाँ ऋषित,
Yes.
जोर पड़ रहा है क्या?
Hmm.
2 मिनट लिखने के लिए क्या टाइप का क्वेश्चन है ये? सब लिखना है? फालतू का लिखा है क्या? यहाँ पे हमने जोक लिखा है? So what it says, everybody written? Now it says what?
Oh, sir.
1 minute. Chalo, I'll explain. Wait. After that, you write. What it says, king of mathematics, and this is queen of mathematics, right? Because all the majority of the concepts are depend on multiplication and division, right? Now what it says, 5 and 8, minus 5 and minus 8, minus 5 and plus 8, plus 5 and minus 8, right? So every time it is plus or minus mix, answer is always 40. Forget about the positive negative, right? Here also when you divide 40 by 5, it is all 8, right? Now how the minus will decide, right? Who will decide the minus? Here, who is important in your house? Mom or dad?
Both.
Both.
That is
Mom.
dad.
Both.
Who rules the house?
Mom. Mom.
Very good. Mom rules the house. तो
Both.
यहाँ पर भी mom control करेगी, right?
Both.
Both, sir.
Both नहीं है, चलो
नहीं,
बात
sir.
इस पर डिस्कशन करो. अपने यहाँ पे मॉम इज सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट, इसके लिए मेरा क्लास का नाम भी मॉम है, राइट? Although I am dad, I am keeping my mom. My class name is what? Mom. Correct?
Mom.
I know mom is. ठीक है? चलो. So what happens is when both are, see, when the both integer numbers are multiplied or divided, whether you multiply or divide does not matter. If signs of both the numbers are same, when यहाँ लिखा है two integer number, क्या लिखा है? Only two numbers, right? When both the signs are same, यार, both are positive or both are negative. Answer is always positive. Can you see? Both are positive, both are negative. Answer क्या आ रहा है? Both are. Answer is always positive. Correct? If the signs are different for both the numbers, the answer is always negative. एक positive, एक negative. Answer क्या आएगा? This is mom and this is dad. किसका चलेगा? Mom का चलेगा, right? Here, dad and mom. किसका चलेगा? Mom का.
Mom.
समझ में आया? Got it?
Yes, sir.
इधर क्या लिखा है? Do normal multiplication or division and write the answer with the sign as applicable. Clear है?
Sir,
Yes.
means if the signs are if there is one negative sign, we have to put negative.
No, if it is in only in two numbers. Only in two numbers, right? Not many numbers. वो many numbers के ऊपर अभी आता हूँ मैं, right? If it is two numbers, One is negative, one positive, answer is always negative. And both are negative, both are positive, answer is always positive. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Ab, what will happen? When you have multiple addition, now 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, multiply, right? I correct. Answer क्या आएगा? या इधर पॉजिटिव 1 आएगा, नेगेटिव 1 आएगा, right? 1 multiply by 1000 टाइम यू डू, आंसर क्या आएगा? 1, right? 1 multiply by 1 multiply by 1000 times you do. How? What is the answer you will get?
1.
1, correct? So if you took minus 1, so answer will be either minus 1 or plus 1, right?
Yes.
So how will you derive? So you know when you two numbers, two negative numbers. Now positive, इधर positive क्या है? Positive कौन है? Dad. And negative कौन है?
Mom.
Who is important? The most important person. Who rules the house?
Mom.
Mom.
Right? Dad का, uncle का, दादा का, नाना का कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, right? Focus on mom. Minus and minus क्या होगा?
No, sir.
Sir, Avni did not understand.
What I'm saying? अभी मैं सिखा रहा हूँ बेटा, अभी नहीं सिखा नहीं रहा हूँ बेटा, सिखा रहा
Sir,
हूँ.
focus on the whole family.
Right. Minus 1 and minus 1 यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो क्या आएगा आंसर?
1.
Both are negative. When you multiply, you get a positive one, right? This one I multiply with this one, right? This minus 1. तो क्या हो गया? Answer minus 1, right? Then minus 1 again I multiply with this minus 1. तो आंसर क्या आएगा?
1. Now I understand.
Very good. तो यहाँ पे क्या? Now listen very
Sir,
carefully.
can you do behind? I was writing.
Hello, wait. Now wait. वो ग्रुप पे भेजिए बेटा, लिख लेना, right? Now
Sir.
you numbers. Listen very carefully. When you two negative numbers, answer is positive. When you three negative numbers, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, answer क्या आएगा? Minus 1. When you four negative numbers, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, positive number, right? Why? Because these two will become positive, these two will become also positive. Here, these two will become positive and this will become negative. So it is by negative. यहाँ पे these two will become negative, positive, these two will become positive and this still remain negative. So answer is negative. तो क्या होता है? When you have even count of negative numbers, क्या होता है? Even count of negative number, तो आंसर क्या होगा? हमेशा पॉजिटिव होगा, राइट? और जब ऑड काउंट ऑफ नेगेटिव नंबर होगा, आंसर हमेशा नेगेटिव होगा. समझ में आया? Even
Yes, sir.
negative sign, answer is always negative. And even
सर समझ में नहीं आया.
Confused हो रहा है.
सर समझ में नहीं आया.
को बेटा
विवाद को समझ में नहीं आया.
और अभी का को.
रुको. I'll explain. चलो, we'll take it on the whiteboard. चलो, I'll just tell you what exactly you need to do, right? Odd even हमने किया ना? Odd even हमने पहले किया था, फर्स्ट सेशन में किया था, राइट? कितना ऑड आएगा? उसमें ऑड मम्मी होती है और इवन पापा होते हैं, राइट?
हाँ सर.
हाँ.
सर,
चलो,
पूरी फैमिली इम्पोर्टेंट है.
सारी इंपॉर्टेंट है लेकिन सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट मम्मी है.
नहीं, सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट मम्मी और पापा है.
चलो, ओके.
हाँ सर.
बाद में बात करेंगे उसके ऊपर. दिस इज फॉर अ स्टोरी पर्पस, so you can, I understand both are important, but this is I am storing, so at least you will remember, right? ठीक है ना? चलो, wait, listen very carefully. Now I have only 5 minutes, please listen very carefully. We are already extended the time. Please listen very carefully. Fortunately, I don't have a class after this. I am doing minus 1, minus 1, multiply by minus 1, divide by minus 1, multiply by minus 1, divide by
And multiplied by minus 1 divided by minus 1.
Okay.
Equals to minus 1.
Correct.
Equals
Now
to
we'll do
minus
by
1.
1 minute. Listen now. I don't want any noise. I don't want a single noise right now, right? What I am telling you, just listen to this. What I am doing, I can multiply this 1 by 1, right? So all are negative numbers.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
If I multiply this, what I'll get as answer? If I multiply,
+1.
नेगेटिव बनाएगा,
+1.
पॉजिटिव बनाएगा, राइट? Multiply by -1. Next step, right?
-1.
I am taking this down here, right?
-1.
अभी जिसको नहीं समझ में आ रहा है, जिसको समझ में आएगा वो बोलेगा नहीं, जिसको नहीं समझ में आएगा बोलेगा। 1 -1 करोगे तो क्या होएगा आंसर?
-1 no 0 0
डिवाइड बाय, नहीं 0 कैसे आएगा? मल्टीप्लाई कर रहा हूं, एडिशन सब्ट्रैक्शन नहीं कर रहा हूं। दिस डिवाइड बाय -1, व्हाट यू विल आंसर?
1 positive 1
1 मल्टीप्लाई बाय, आई एम टेकिंग दिस राउंड, राइट? दिस इज, ये सब आंसर होते जा रहा है, राइट? -1
-1
-1.
-1, right? -1 divide by, I take this down,
-1.
है नेगेटिव बनाएगा,
नहीं, +1.
डिवाइड बाय, take this down,
-1. -1.
wait,
-1.
wait, एक बार बता दिया, समझ गया, आ गया बेटा, राइट? डोंट मल्टीपल टाइम शाउट मत करो, राइट? क्या आएगा?
+1.
positive 1
ओ नेगेटिव, नेगेटिव मल्टीप्लाई बाय नेगेटिव क्या आएगा?
positive
पॉजिटिव, राइट?
-1
-1. Sir, the answer is -1. Sir, what is positive divided by negative?
All are same, both when the signs are different, whether you multiply or divide. यहाँ पे कितने नंबर ऐड कर रहे हो तुम? Now see, just see what is the answer you are getting. Listen very carefully what I am writing here, right? What I am doing, 2 negative numbers, you get positive answer, right? Yes or no?
yes
1 positive, 1 negative. So basically 3 negative numbers I am doing, right? So answer क्या आ रहा है? -1, right? 4 number I am doing negative. तो आंसर क्या आ रहा है? पॉजिटिव, right? तो यहाँ पे पॉजिटिव, करेक्ट? फिर क्या आएगा? एक एक पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव चेंज हो रहा है ना, क्यों? क्योंकि तुम्हारा नेगेटिव नंबर चेंज हो रहा है, राइट? सो यहाँ पे 5 होगा तो क्या होगा? आंसर विल बी नेगेटिव, राइट? फिर यहाँ पे 6 होगा तो क्या होगा? आंसर विल बी पॉजिटिव। होगा तो क्या आएगा आंसर?
negative
नेगेटिव। 8 करेगा तो आंसर पॉजिटिव, और जब 9 करेगा तो क्या आएगा आंसर? समझ आया? तो जब ऑड नंबर होगा, नेगेटिव नंबर्स, ऑड काउंट, एक मिनट में यहाँ पे आई जस्ट टाइप, odd count of negative number will give answer as negative always, right? Answer will be always negative. Clear है? When you have odd count of negative number, answer will be
Negative.
will always
Be negative.
always gives
तो
नेगेटिव आंसर। हाँ बोल बेटा।
यहाँ पे हमने काउंटिंग 2 से क्यों स्टार्ट की?
पहले कितने नंबर है बेटा ऊपर? कितने नंबर मल्टीप्लाई कर रहा हूँ बेटा?
2.
तो आंसर क्या आएगा? 2 नंबर लो या
ओके सर, अंडरस्टूड।
करेक्ट। यहाँ पे 2 नंबर ऐड कर रहा हूँ ना,
तो समझा।
फिर क्या हो रहा है, फिर ये आएगा नीचे आएगा तो क्या आ गया, 2 नंबर प्लस 1 3 नंबर हो गया, तो
हाँ
आंसर
सर,
नेगेटिव है।
समझा
फिर ये चौथा नंबर, तो आंसर पॉजिटिव हो गया। क्लियर है?
समझा सर।
इज एवरीबडी क्लियर?
Yes, sir. Sir, you have to write this also.
I am going to give you 2 worksheet. One is simple 2-digit multiplication division, or I am giving only multiplication. I am not giving even division, right?
Yes, sir.
I am giving only multiplication, and then I'll give you 3 numbers multiplication. Only 3 number. 2 multiplied by -2, -3, something like this, right? And it is all with a smiley support, right?
Okay, sir.
But I am very disappointed. Today, 1+ hours has gone for only doubt solving. So doubt solving जब भी आएगा, मिसिंग नंबर मैंने कभी कराया था बेटा, 1 महीने पहले मिसिंग नंबर कराया था, 2 हफ्ते पहले, राइट? आई डिड इन जुलाई, राइट Rushit?
Yes.
And only Rushit sent me the doubt. Avar, if you have doubt, you could have sent me this, right? Okay, sir, I have doubt in missing numbers.
Yes.
तो बेटा जब कराऊं उसी टाइम पे भेज दिया करोगे, सर मेरे को डाउट है, राइट? सो नेक्स्ट क्लास आई विल
Right now you explained, that is why I got a little confused. That
नहीं,
is.
बिकॉज आई हैव टेकन विद अ बिगर नंबर, राइट?
Yes, sir.
इसी के लिए, लेकिन थोड़ा सा बड़ा सीखना पड़ेगा ना बेटा,
हाँ sir.
है ना? और जब तुम बाहर जाके बोलोगे मेरे स्टूडेंट हो, तो लोगों को एक्सपेक्टेशन बढ़ जाता है कि तुम लोग मॉम के स्टूडेंट हो, तुमको तो बहुत सब आना चाहिए, राइट?
Yes, sir.
है ना? तो तुमको उस टाइम पे अपना प्रूव करना पड़ेगा ना कि यस वी आर मॉम स्टूडेंट, सो हमको बहुत कुछ आता है एंड वी आर मास्टर इन मैथ।
Yes, monsters.
You're monsters of not
वो
knowing
तो मैं
anything.
हूँ, वो तो दैट इज आई एम मॉन्स्टर ऑफ मॉन्स्टर, यू आर मास्टर ऑफ मैथ।
Oh, sir, you
I
are
am a
master
master.
of math.
Sir, I am a master of math.
Sir, you are the master of math.
I
You
am
are only
master of
teaching us.
monsters. I am not a master. I am a monster.
No,
Sir, you are a master of
monster of master of math.
Yes, sir. Agreed.
Sir,
Agreed
don't
for
say
your
negative thing
homework.
about yourself.
Agreed for your homework.
Listen, everybody, send me the assignment, send me the topic, what you have done in the school or what is running in the school. Okay, now there are a lot of holidays which are coming, so I may take extra class also, correct?
Yes. Sir, factors and multiples आ रहा है मेरे स्कूल में.
Sorry?
Factors and multiples.
लिखो, मेरे को बोलोगे तो याद नहीं रहेगा. You can see all my gray hairs, I become old. I am Gajni. Loss.
Sir,
why
I
not
Like
write everything on your hand and
Sir,
everything? Master,
Sir,
master
if you are
of
Gajni,
monsters,
then why don't
master
you
of
write everything on your
math,
hand, guys?
master of
नहीं,
master
जन एक साथ
cannot
बोलोगे
become
कैसे
old.
सुन-
Master of math.
मेरे को एक जन का सुने देता था, 10 जन साथ में बोलोगे, how will I listen?
Sir,
हैंड देता है, मुझे चांस दो.
एक
Sir,
मिनट, मेरे को रिकॉर्डिंग, एक मिनट मेरे को रिकॉर्डिंग बंद करने दो, उसके बाद मैं बात
Didi.
रिकॉर्डिंग।
सर मेरे 3 हाथ रहते हैं, मुझे चांस
Sorry?
दो.
Sir,